Good morning, guys, and welcome to week 6, I believe. How was your how was your weekend? Comment down below what you guys did for your sorry, the toddler, your weekend, and yeah, just let me know what you guys did for the weekend. We did nothing. We just chilled. We had the children's cousin. She turned 15, so we went to come over here. Let me. We went to her. Yeah, we went to her 15th birthday party. It's like a little mini wedding. So today they're gonna have turkey sandwich. So it's just turkey, spinach, cheese, and mayo. These are holy cheese. I've never had them. This is extra protein, so they're energy bites, and grapes. There's not a lot of Madison, relax. Yeah, relax. They're not having a lot of fruits and veggies this week, so I figured I would put it in their juice. So that's what this is, and it's what is this? Berry carrot blast. So, and then we have more power-ups here, so more energy, more protein for them. And Jordan's having his water. So that's Mr. Jordan. Miss Destiny. Oh, this is the first time bringing out the Yum box for Miss Destiny. So I have this Yum box and I have 2. Let me hurry up. So she's gonna have a Cliff Bar, the same thing. Jackson's having a Para Up, and Jason's having Belvita and a mandarin. So I will see you guys after school today. Okay, guys, so it's after school on Monday. Jaxson only have a Para Up, and everything is gone. This is Miss Destiny. Bye, honey. All gone. This is who's? Jason. Yeah, this is Jason. He only has a mandarin. This is Jordan. Everything is all gone, so I'll see you guys on Tuesday.
Bye.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day of lunch videos. Today is Tuesday. Let's start with what Jordan is having. They're all having the same thing. Someone asked me if my 1st and my 6th grader eat the same amount, and the answer is yes, they eat the same amount. And if they want more food, it's easy for them to ask for more food, but for right now they eat the same portion size. Some days more or less, but whatever. They do eat the same amount. So that answered that question. For Tuesday, today, they're having meatball sub. So it's just, let's move over here because this one is open. So it's just why is there a pencil on here? Just meatball. And they have their bread, Baby Bell cheese for after, lettuce, cheese, Italian dressing to pour on. There's some, they're weird like that. Mandarin. For snack, Jason is having a spiced pumpkin pie Cliff Bar, his juice. Jaxson is having a Special K protein bar, and that's the caramel pretzel cashew flavor. They have the water, and Destiny's having a Belvita snack packs. This is the cinnamon brown sugar one, and Jordan is having a Power-Ups, and Destiny has a spoon because her container doesn't have. So I'll see you guys after school. It's after school on Tuesday. This is Jaxson. He brought back, turn on that light. I always film in the dark. Open for me, please. Open for me, please. This is Jaxson. He brought back his protein bar. Ooh, child. How was the sub?
Good.
Come here. Come right here. Come right here. How was the sub?
Good.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Would you like more subs?
Yes, I would.
Okay,
That
so
meatball was good.
and his water's all gone, and his meatball's gone. So yummy.
Oh, I only
This
eat
is
three,
Jason.
and then I put one on my tub.
How was your sub?
Good.
Get that off the counter.
One more.
You want more sub? Okay. Oh God.
Here. He ate his.
Toddler, could you not make all that noise?
Mommy. Mommy.
Would you saw a fly?
Mommy.
All gone. Jason. This is Jordan. All gone. All gone. And the beautiful Miss Destiny. All gone. So.
I barely opened that because I forgot about that.
And the cheese.
I ate the cheese. I was trying to eat it by itself, but I couldn't even do it. I had to put it on my sub, and then I forget a little bit of that.
Oh, I don't know what to do with you anymore. What am I gonna do with you?
I'm gonna get my snack. No.
Huh?
I'm gonna get my snack.
What am I gonna do with you?
Nothing.
I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Let me just get my snack.
What's the matter?
Jaxson.
What do you mean help you? Put the backpacker down. Put it down. Put it down. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. Welcome back. Jordan will be having for snack. He's gonna have spiced pumpkin pie. He's never had a Cliff Bar this whole time, so I figured, hey, I'm gonna let him try it. Hopefully he likes it. Veggie, fruit and veggie. This is the punch carrot craze. That's what he's gonna have for his drink. For fruits, he's gonna have some strawberries, some blueberries. For vegetable, he's gonna have some assorted tomatoes. I found these the other day and I was like, ooh, I love the colors. So that's what he's gonna have. And then for his main course, he's gonna have pizza. So I made them homemade pizza, and that's what they're gonna have. And his water. Destiny's having the same exact thing, except she's having a what is this guy? A Nature Valley soft bake filled square. And she has the same juice, her water. Jaxson is having the same thing, except for his juice. He's having a Hershey's chocolate milk and a Belvita snack packs, blueberry. And then Jason is having a goldfish and his juice, water. And that's it. So I will see you guys after school today.
I'm watching Jaxson, not Jordan.
Okay guys, so it's after school on, what's today, Wednesday?
Yes.
I went grocery shopping a little bit. Hold on. So, let's see what these kids, I'm missing a lunch bag. I'm missing a lunch bag. Not coming, you know the rules. Let's open these. Like that. Let's open the other one. Like that. Let's open the other one.
You open it for pie, but
Like that. Alright. All done. So Miss Destiny, I gave her 5 tomatoes. Didn't I give you 5 tomatoes? You couldn't eat all 5? You couldn't eat all 5 tomatoes. It would have killed you to eat all 5 tomatoes.
I had to eat my strawberries and my blueberries.
Oh Lord. She brought back a little bit of fruit, a little bit of vegetable, and the pizza is all gone. Why didn't you bring back the pizza? Oh, because that was good. Hi, Jaxson. This is Jaxson. Oh, look at that. High five, buddy. High five. That's what I'm talking about. This is Jason. All gone.
I tell you, I'll eat my food.
High five, buddy. High five. Give it here. Right there. Let's see. This is Jordan. Nope. No high five for you, Jordan. None. Not none. Is there pizza in here?
No.
Open it.
I got all the pizza.
You ate all the pizza, I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Oh, wow. So, I will see you guys tomorrow. What?
You making meatballs?
No, I'm making Taco Wednesday.
Oh, I thought
Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. The children are going to have mac and cheese. So, it's just, I think this is vegan mac and cheese. Vegan and another regular kind, because for some reason I only had one box of the regular kind and one box of vegan, so I just mixed the two. I don't know how it tastes. Here's water. This is Cheez-It Duos, so it's the caramel popcorn and cheddar. So that's what that is. Strawberry and blueberries. Here's juice. A fiery, sweet and fiery, some kind of fruit by the foot, Jif power-ups, and a mandarin that has seen better days. Jaxson is having the same thing. No, this is Destiny. Tell you about my she has a spoon because their thermos has a spoon on the inside in this red part. She's gonna have a Hershey's chocolate milk. She does not like this kind because it's kind of spicy, so I gave her this spinach and kale, kiwi, pineapple, banana, mango, a mandarin, a protein bar, and I think that's it. This is Jaxson. Same thing. Chocolate milk, spice, pumpkin pie. I don't think he ever had Cliff Bar, so hopefully he likes it. I can't talk today. I can't. My anxiety is just at an all-time high, and I just can't function. Belvita snack packs, and yeah. I'll see you guys after school today. Okay guys, so it's after school on Thursday. This is Jordan. He had all of his mac and cheese. He left some blueberry and his mandarin. So yeah, this is Jaxson. What is that? You took it? This is Jaxson. He brought back his Cliff Bar. And yeah. This is Miss Destiny. She brought nothing back. Good job. This is Jason. He brought nothing back. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Say hi, Maddie. Say hi, Maddie. Say hi, Daddy. Say how it work. Say how it work. Good. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. Let's do this real fast because I'm late. I woke up at 7. I have to leave at 7:20. So this is what I came up. It's a no container kind of day. They get out of school on early. They get out of school early on Friday. So I'm not gonna fuss about it. Jordan's gonna have a string cheese, peanut butter sandwich, a Go-Gurt, the same mandarin that's going around. Hopefully he eats it. There's juice, a protein bar, and a fruit by the foot. It looks like a lot of junk, but I don't care. Destiny's having the same thing, and except she's having a fruit letter because she don't like these. These are sweet and spicy, but she doesn't like them. Jackson's having a bagel with cream cheese. Go-Gurt, his juice, he's having a Cliff Bar instead, and his treat. Jason's having the same thing. He's having a Cliff Bar, and that's it. So I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos, and Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys next week. Bye, guys.